In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Smartsheet auto-save your work, ensuring that you never lose your valuable data, even if you forget to hit save manually. Let's dive right into it and get your Smartsheet account set up for peace of mind and efficiency. First, you'll need to navigate to your account settings. To do this, open Smartsheet, and you'll find the Account option at the top right corner of your screen, represented by your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Personal Settings. This is your command center for customizing how Smartsheet behaves according to your preferences. Once you're inside the Personal Settings menu, you need to locate the Settings section on the left-hand side. Clicking on that will present you with a variety of parameters you can modify to enhance your Smartsheet experience. One of these options, which we'll be focusing on today, is labeled Autosave. Click on it and you'll be on your way to enabling this very helpful feature. In the Autosave options, you'll find a setting called Autosave after X minutes of inactivity. This is particularly useful if you tend to get up from your desk frequently or become engrossed in other tasks, forgetting to save your progress. A little drop-down menu allows you the flexibility to select the time interval that suits your working style best. You can choose to have Smartsheet save your work after 1, 2, 3, 5, or 10 minutes of inactivity. If you like to play it safe and frequently save, choosing 1 minute might be the right option for you. On the other hand, if interruptions are rare, a longer interval might be more appropriate. Now, let's move on to the second part of the setup. Beneath the Inactivity Autosave setting, you'll see an option to Auto-save my changes when I leave a sheet or report. Enabling this ensures that every time you navigate away from your current sheet or report, Smartsheet automatically saves all the changes you've made. This feature is particularly handy if you switch between multiple documents or reports during your workday. It eliminates the worry about whether you remembered to hit save before clicking away. Once both of these options are enabled, your Smartsheet experience will become more fluid and secure. You can close the Personal Settings menu, knowing that your work is protected against loss due to forgetting to save. These settings are designed to fit seamlessly into your workflow, giving you the flexibility and assurance needed to focus on more important tasks. And there you have it. 2 simple steps to ensure that autosave is working for you in Smartsheet. This will not only save time, but also provide that added layer of security for your valuable data. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.